Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
If you are planning a trip and need something to bring with you, opting for one of the best waterproof duffel bags is a must-do. These are bags that come in a larger size and are typically built to be a lot more durable than your average bag. Our guide video on the 9 best waterproof duffel bag has all the choices you could hope for. We've included quite a few types of waterproof duffel bag, so pay attention and pick the one best suited for your needs. If you are using any of the waterproof duffel bags, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 9. Overboard Waterproof Duffel Bag. If you are looking for the best waterproof duffel bag, then look no further than the Overboard Waterproof Duffel Bag. It is one of the best waterproof duffel bags on the market. This waterproof duffel bag makes it versatile for anything from boating trips to camping adventures. Plus, constructed from a PVC tarpaulin shell with RF welded seams, it will keep your stuff dry even when dunked in the water. The bag is closed using a toll top close and clip system, which lets you vary the size of the bag when not full. It also has a Velcro joiner to add that extra security that won't open up. This waterproof duffel bag features an external waterproof zippered pocket for small items and one Velcro mesh pocket. On the inside, there are 2 mesh pockets and one wet/dry zippered pocket. It can be worn as a backpack with its removable and adjustable straps, plus it comes with dual-end haul handles. When on the move, you can utilize its D-rings to secure the bag from moving around. It is a solid option for anyone looking for a fully waterproof duffel bag with backpack straps. Number 8. Firstgear Torrent Waterproof Duffel Bag. This waterproof duffel bag is also designed with outdoor hackers in mind, but that doesn't mean that it's not suitable for plenty of other activities. You can get it in 3 different sizes. It is made of a very durable, waterproof material. It also features sonically welded sealing, which helps it keep your belongings dry in all types of weather conditions. One downside of this bag is that there is no variety when it comes to design. It comes only in the color black, with a few red and gray details. However, there is plenty of variety when it comes to size, so you can choose the one that will suit your needs best. In terms of organizational space, the bag features one zippered exterior pocket that is also waterproof. There is a padded, removable shoulder strap. It attaches to the bag via carabiners, which won't ever let you down. There are also Velcro closed carry handles if you prefer to just pick it up and carry it in your hand. This duffel bag is equipped with several strategically placed D-rings that allow you to easily attach the bag to your bike. Number 7. The North Face Waterproof Duffel Bag. The waterproof duffel bag from the North Face is an improved version of the brand's storied duffel bag. It's easily the must-have gear in your inventory due to its long-lasting durability that has been proven by thousands of users around the world. This remake uses laminate nylon and shielded zippers to withstand the weather. It is waterproof and can handle being submerged for a brief moment. There's a zipper pocket at the front to store frequent items, such as maps, mosquito repellents, or a pocket knife, among other things. The D-shape opening makes taking things out of this duffel bag practical and quick. It's also equipped with a sling strap, compression strap, and detachable shoulder straps. You should be able to carry it like a carry-on if you pack light and cinch the contents appropriately. The interior is roomy enough to contain a 7-day worth of clothes, and you can put your travel necessity into its organization pockets, zip and mesh. This bag should serve you for a long time, making it worth every dime you spend.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 6. SealLine Zip Waterproof Duffel Bag. Looking for a bag you can toss around in bad weather and any terrain without worry? Look no further. This SealLine Zip Waterproof Duffel Bag is your answer. The top of the bag has a diagonal YKK manufactured zipper, welded on with radio frequency welding. The zippers are the same kind used for dry suits, ensuring maximum protection even against submersion when sealed correctly. It is sturdy and glides easily to open and close. This waterproof duffel bag is made from a soft but tough vinyl material, which is reinforced on the sides and bottom for a long-lasting, durable build that can take being dropped or flung onto the ground. Its diagonal top means that the bags open up wider, allowing users easier access to their packed items inside. The low-profile shape and soft material allow for more flexibility, so users can stuff the bag into smaller spaces. On its own, the large bag measures about 26 inches in length and have a capacity of 75 liters. There are grab handles on each end for easy carrying, as well as shoulder straps. Number 5. Watershed Yukon Waterproof Duffel Bag. If you are looking for the best waterproof duffel bag, then look no further than the Watershed Yukon Waterproof Duffel Bag. It is one of the best waterproof duffel bags on the market. Yukon Duffel will hold a summer weight sleeping bag, tent, and some gear, or could be used in tandem with other Watershed bags for food storage on a group trip. It is constructed with UV-resistant polyurethane-coated fabric. The abrasion-resistant fabric withstands whatever you throw at it, even wrecks, while keeping everything dry and worry-free. This waterproof duffel bag features RF welded seams guaranteed to be free of leaks, expedition-grade hardware, and mil-spec stitching reinforcements to handle the most rugged adventures. Its waterproof closure and lack of outside mounting hardware/shell provide an alternative to traditional bar packs. It also features rugged carrying handles, several hard lash points, and multiple compression straps, and can be used. Number 4. Loboo Waterproof Duffel Bag. The Loboo is an inexpensive alternative to pricey waterproof duffel bags, but still offers reasonable quality and protection for your items while traveling. It is suitable for a variety of applications, be it biking, cycling, hiking, camping, boating, or skiing. It lacks a zipper, but the roll-top design should still be effective at keeping out moisture when done correctly. It features an air release system at the side. This waterproof duffel bag comes with a shoulder strap and carries handles with Velcro closure. The addition of a front compartment would have been a nice touch, as users will have to unfurl the entire unit to get to items within. Loosely packed items will also be prone to rolling around. It is available in black, yellow, and blue colors. The brighter shades will make them easy to spot in the wilderness. This waterproof duffel bag is made from high-strength, durable materials. The smooth surface is also easy to clean with wet wipes and is resistant to stains. The plastic hooks are also fairly strong. It also has a basic, simple design that still manages to look rugged and sporty. Number 3. Wolfman Expedition Waterproof Duffel Bag. With great design features, one of the best waterproof duffel bags out there is the Wolfman Expedition Waterproof Duffel Bag. It's a compact and versatile waterproof bag that is specifically designed for motorcycle use, but it performs just as well for travel, camping, and outdoors. This waterproof duffel bag's body is made from 22-ounce vinyl, while the sides are beefier, coming in at 34-ounce vinyl. All the seams have been welded, making this a 100% waterproof bag. You have a roll top flap that ensures all your gear stays dry while being easy to open and close. This bag is perfect for anyone. It can be thrown on a kayak or taken as a carry-on in an airplane. It has 4 compression straps that ensure the contents are packed as tightly as possible. It also has 2 body straps that make this bag easy to sling over your shoulder or wear like a backpack. The 47 liters of storage is a great size for a bag. It doesn't make it too heavy while giving you a large bag for your stuff. It is a top choice for anyone looking for one of the best waterproof duffel bags for outdoor use.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Watershed Colorado Waterproof Duffel Bag. The Colorado Waterproof Duffel Bag by Watershed is as popular for long-term river tripping as the river it is named after. Used by raft guides around the globe, Colorado will carry enough gear for one person on a multi-day expedition. This versatile waterproof duffel bag is made of polyurethane-coated fabric, which is chemically stable and provides 5 times the abrasion resistance of PVC. It features RF welded seams guaranteed to be free of leaks, expedition-grade hardware, and mil-spec stitching reinforcements to handle the most rugged adventures. The bag closures lock shut to form an airtight and watertight seal that keeps your gear dry and can endure up to 300 feet of underwater pressure. It works equally well as a car top or pickup bed waterproof bag to provide extra gear storage on road trips. It also works as a storage bag for wet, muddy gear such as waders or dry suits.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Grundéns Waterproof Duffel Bag. Whatever you're packing, the Grundéns Waterproof Duffel Bag is the perfect 100% waterproof solution for anglers heading out on an excursion. The fully waterproof duffel bag is built to carry up to 105 liters of gear on any excursion, whether it's an urban adventure or a 2-week boating trip. It's constructed from 500D PVC tarpaulin fabric with RF welded seams to keep water out even when submerged. The closure system on the bag is 2-step, a water-resistant zipper combined with a Velcro roll top. At 105 liter, it's large enough for even the longest adventures and is built tough as nails to withstand the roughest abuse. This waterproof duffel stands out from its competition with its shoulder strap that can be converted into backpack straps. It's one of the few fully waterproof duffel bags that features backpack carry functionality. For someone looking for a waterproof duffel bag with backpack straps that are built to last years of the roughest use, look no further than the Grundéns Waterproof Duffel Bag. Thanks for watching. Hope you have no doubts about the best waterproof duffel bag on the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.